Hey, what's up, love bugs? It's Jen, and I know it has been quite some time since I've made any videos, so I just wanted to kind of pop on here and just kind of address a couple things. First of all, I want to tell you guys that I really love y'all a whole lot, and those of you who have been watching my videos and comment and like and all that stuff, you guys mean the world to me. But I'm really considering stepping out of YouTube video making. There's a lot of reasons. One of the main reasons is time. Clearly I have not had the time to devote to it like I need to. Obviously this is my first video in like a month, right? So I don't have the time to devote to it the way that I'd like to. Second, it gets really expensive, especially if you're doing beauty. You have to kind of stay up on the trends, and you have to be able to stay up on the new releases and things like that. And financially, that's just not happening in my world. So, so that's another reason there. And then finally, the YouTube community can be really, really toxic sometimes. I don't know if you guys have noticed this or not, but especially in beauty videos, in weight loss videos, which are the two primary things that I do with this channel, it can be really toxic. And so for, so it's like kind of for mental health sometimes. So I don't know for sure that I'm going to be stepping out forever. I may come back and make more videos and things like that. But just for now, I'm just going to say I'm going to step out of doing YouTube. Right now I'm focusing on, hey, walking in. It's my mama. Hang on. So this may or may not be, forever, but for right now I'm focusing on Twitch streaming with my husband, focusing on being a mom, being a wife, being a worship leader, trying to learn my craft and things like that, focusing on music and all that stuff. So, so who knows, I may come back and pop in a few times and say hi, but if I don't, please go and follow me on Instagram, and you can follow me on Twitter. And if you guys like gaming and you like things like that, come check us out over on twitch.tv/TwoMoreMortals. The link will be down in the description as well. So, but I just want to tell you guys that I love y'all, and thank you guys so much for hanging out and sticking with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Insta, on Twitter, and hopefully on Twitch. So, love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.